Terra Luna Classic continues to remain right around that 9,000 point per coin level, and the price of Terra Luna Classic is being governed by the overall crypto market. There's basically nothing we can do to detach it unless we create some sort of a FOMO event, which I highly doubt is going to be happening during this bear market that we are in right now. And until we get some regulator clarity out there, or at least until we get the SEC acting normal again instead of like some tyrant that's trying to own and destroy the cryptocurrency market, it might be more difficult to see some fantastic gains. Nonetheless, the Terra Luna Classic blockchain continues to build, continues to innovate, and continues to burn. Yes, you heard that right, guys. Yesterday's video, we talked about the burn tax passing, so if you want a little bit more detail, make sure to go check that out. But I'm going to be going over some numbers in this video, because I do find it funny. You've got people out on social media right now that are telling you this is the end. Increasing the burn tax is gonna be the worst thing ever. And you've got other people saying this is the beginning. We are going to pump, and Terra Luna Classic is going to rise higher. So we're going to be looking at some actual volume numbers, what it means for the burns and what it means for the community pool as well. Because the community pool is going to be 5xing its gains in terms of how much is deposited based on the tax. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Terra Classic Update, your source for the latest news and insights on the Luna cryptocurrency. Stay up to date with our in-depth analysis, expert insights, and up-to-the-minute news. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve in the world of Luna. Guys, you're gonna see both sides of the Terra Luna Classic community here at odds. But at the end of the day, not much is going to change. Here's the deal. Roughly twice as much if volume remains steady. Roughly twice as much Terra Luna Classic is going to be burned. And 5 times as much Terra Luna Classic is going to be deposited in the community pool. So for those of you out there that are burners, it is a win situation for you. We're gonna see twice as much Terra Luna Classic burn. If you honestly, the volume could drop in half and we still see as much Terra Luna Classic burn. So don't let them fool you into thinking that if this drops volume, it's going to be detrimental. You're going to have to see a 50% reduction in volume before Terra Luna Classic burns any less lunc. If you're a builder, you understand and you realize that Terra Luna Classic needs to fund the community pool. If we do not fund the community pool, I'm almost positive these developers will turn their backs on you faster than anything you've seen before. Not only will you feel betrayed, but they will make it seem like it's your fault for not funding the community pool, and therefore it'll be even worse. This increase in burn tax is going to fund the community pool at a 5x pace. Let's talk about these numbers here, guys. So if you're looking at Terra Luna Classic right now, it is doing roughly $50,000 a day in decentralized exchange transactions. Now that's compared to the $20 to $30 million a day it's doing on centralized exchanges. But we understand the centralized exchanges don't participate in the tax rate. Centralized exchanges do not send Terra Luna Classic to a burn tax or to a community pool tax, and so on. So these numbers here based on $50,000 in Terra Luna Classic volume. They equal at the current, or now it is current because it's already implemented. At the previous tax rate, we were seeing roughly $100 in taxes per day. That's the 0.2% times 50,000 gives you $100 in fees that people were paying on that $50,000, $90 of which was being burned and another $10 of which was going to the community pool. So that's our base number right there. We've got $90 being burned on the previous amounts and $10 going to the community pool. If you look at the new tax, a couple of things happened here, right? New tax increased to 0.5% of Terra Luna Classic transactions, and it made that split an 80-20 split as opposed to a 90-10 split. So the new numbers would be $250 in total fees on $50,000 in volume. Still very, very low percentages, very extremely low fees compared to any other blockchain. And that resulted, or now will result on $50,000 volume and $200 being burned, just slightly over double, okay? Twice as many burns and $50 per day going to the community pool. Think about that. We are 2xing the burns, and we are 5xing the amount of money that goes into the community pool. And that's just based on the current volume. Clearly, for things to be any worse off, we would have to see a 50% reduction in Terra Luna Classic volume. For the burns to be worse off, you would have to see a basic 80% reduction in volume in order for the community pool to be worse off. So anybody who is trying to say that this increase in tax is going to be detrimental, it is very hard to justify the detriment in that situation because it is a win-win across the board. It is a win for Terra Luna Classic holders who want to see more coins burned. It is a win for people who want to see Terra Luna Classic build. Because without that community pool, you will not find people who are willing to build for Terra Luna Classic. They are only willing to do so to receive that paycheck. We have seen that developed over the last 6, 7, 8 months. They will not build for free. They will not build for equity. They will not build for future growth. They will only build for a monthly paycheck. So the community pool is being funded at a 5x rate. Burns are happening at a 2x rate. The only way it's a bad situation is if you see an 80% reduction in volume. And I think that this is going to show the Terra Luna Classic community that if volume remains steady, if this doesn't kill the chain, hey, maybe 0.6%, 0.8%, 1.2% once again. Because think about that, guys. All of a sudden we would see a 10x, possibly 20x increase in the amount of money that's sent to the community pool. On another 2 to 3x increase in the amount of Terra Luna Classic that's burned, everybody is winning. That's all for today's update on Luna cryptocurrency. We hope you found our analysis and insights valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Luna and other exciting blockchain projects. And as always, thanks for tuning into Terra Classic Update. We'll see you in the next one.